Next we look at some 3-dimensional figures. The first we are going to look at a cube. A cube you know is a figure in which all the faces are equal to each other or congruent to each other. So, this is a cube. Now, we can find out the curved surface area. In short, we will refer it to as the CSA, or we can say it is equal to the lateral surface area. Both are same things, curved surface area, lateral surface area. Curved surface area is 4 into side square. Why 4 into side square? Because curved surface area means the top portion and bottom portion are not covered, it is empty, it is hollow. So, only we are calculating the area of the 4 walls. So, that is 4 into side square. The total side surface area means the top as well as the bottom is covered. So, we have all the 6 sides covered. So, then we are going to use the formula 6 into side square. So, if side of the cube is given, we can find out the curved surface area and the total surface area. And the volume of this cube can be found by using the formula side cube. So, if suppose we are given this side is 2 centimeter, the curved surface area will be 4 into 2 square. So, 2 square is 4, 4 into 4 16. So, we get curved surface area is 16 centimeter square. If we have to find the total surface area, then 2 square is 4, 4 into 6 24 centimeter square, and the volume is side cube. So, whatever is the side we will cube that. So, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. So, volume will become 8 centimeter cube. So, these are the formulas by which we can calculate the CSA, TSA and volume of a cube. The next figure we will see is a cuboid. Now, in a cuboid we have length, breadth and height. So, this is the length represented by L, this is the breadth represented by B, and this is the height represented by H. So, this is a cuboid. Now, again, if I want to find the curved surface area, which means that the two ends are open, it is hollow, then we are going to use the formula 2H bracket L plus B. If I want to find the total surface area, that means all the sides are covered, then we will use the formula 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL, which means LB means length has to be multiplied by the breadth, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So, this will be the total surface area, and volume can be found by using the formula L into B into H. Now, this curved surface area, as I told before, is also referred to as the lateral surface area, and these are the area of the 4 walls. So, if you look at the walls, 4 walls, we do not include the top and bottom, then we have 2H bracket L plus B. So, these are the formulas for a cuboid. Next we see cylinder. Now, in a cylinder, again we have a curved surface area, a total surface area, because the two ends can be open or closed. If it is open, then we will apply curved surface area, which is equal to 2 pi r h. This is the radius of this portion, these are circular portions, and this is the height of the cylinder. So, 2 pi r h, total surface area will be 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Why is it 2 pi r plus h? Because already the curved surface area we know is 2 pi r h plus area of a circle we know is pi r square, and there is a pi r square here. So, that means 2 pi r square. So, 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, we are taking 2 pi r common, and that is how we get this formula 2 pi r bracket h plus r, which is the same as 2 pi r plus h, and volume will be pi r square h. Volume is pi r square h. So, CSA, TSA and volume of cylinder can be found by using these formulas. Next figure is a cone. Now, this is the diagram for a cone. This is the radius and this is the height. Now, the radius and the height, the meeting point will be O. This is actually the center of this circle, and this angle is going to be 90 degrees. So, we have h here and we have a slant height here. Now, this is represented by L, and since it is a right angle triangle, we are going to use a formula L square equal to h square plus r square. Now, by using this formula, we can find out the third quantity if any two are given. So, if h and r are given, we can find out the slant height. If the slant height and height are given, we can find out the radius, and so on and so forth. So, this is a very useful formula to find out the third unknown quantity. Now, to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area is pi r L, and total surface area will be pi r plus L. So, pi r L means it is open because it is curved surface area, and total surface area means this is covered, it is not hollow. So, if it is not hollow, we will apply the total surface area formula pi r plus L, and volume can be found by using the formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So, we have CSA pi r L, curved surface area, total surface area pi r plus L, and volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and the unit of area will be in centimeter square or meter square, volume will be in centimeter cube, meter cube, or whatever is the unit, you will have to cube that. After cone, we see sphere and hemisphere. A sphere is like a football, 3-dimensional football. See here, it is 3-dimensional. This is the radius. Now, there is no curved surface or total surface area in a sphere, there is only surface area. So, surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, and volume is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So, area can be found by using 4 pi r square, and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And if I split this sphere into two parts, that becomes a hemisphere. So, this is a sphere, and if I cut this sphere into two parts, then each of these parts will become hemispheres. So, this is a hemisphere. So, this is the radius of this hemisphere, and here there will be curved surface area and total surface area. If this is open, then we will use curved surface area. The formula will be 2 pi r square. The total surface area will be 3 pi r square, and volume will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, if you notice the CSA, this is half of the sphere, this is 4 pi r square, this is half of that, 2 pi r square. The volume was 4 by 3 pi r cube, now it is half of that, it will become 2 by 3 pi r cube. So, by using these formulas, we can calculate the area and volume of different figures.